Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up page size and margins in Google Docs. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Then go to google.com. Now tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. From the menu, select Desktop Site. Once the desktop version of Google loads, tap the Google menu. Then tap and hold on Google Docs until a pop-up menu appears. From that menu, tap on Open in New Tab. Now tap on the Tab button in the top right corner of the screen and select the last tab. In Google Docs, open the document you want to adjust. Once the document is open, tap on the File option in the top left corner of the toolbar. From the File menu, select Page Setup. Here, you'll see the page setup settings, where you can adjust the margins, select the paper size, and make other page adjustments according to your needs. After making all the changes, click on OK. Your page settings and margins will now be updated. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.